Big updates now coming in. We're looking at Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi en route Hathras once again. Priyanka is in fact driving to Hathras accompanied by Rahul Gandhi and the others. Remember, earlier we'd also seen their first attempt on Thursday that in fact ended in a scuffle with the police and a brief detention there as well. Now, they are of course trying to make their way again. Meanwhile, these are visuals there coming in from the DND, which is the Delhi Noida Direct, connecting Delhi and Noida, where we're looking at scores of supporters of the Congress there who are holding a protest of sorts at this point at the DND. So a huge crowd that has gathered at the DND at this point while Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are en route Hathras. And remember, this coming at a time where the Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi currently have left for Hathras to meet the family of the 19-year-old whose rape, murder and forcible cremation has triggered widespread protest across the country, and we're looking at several developments there coming in. Also important here to note that this is the Gandhi's second attempt right now to meet the bereaved family. The first attempt that they made on Thursday ended in a scuffle with the police and also there was a brief detention of both the leaders. Now, a repeat is likely today given the huge police deployment that is there at the Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border. Barricades have already been installed at several of the positions. You are looking at a huge police deployment there at the DND border at this point, and also a huge crowd that has also gathered at the DND. Meanwhile, near Hathras as well, there is a huge barricading that has been put in place. Section 144, which currently remains imposed as well. While media's entry has been allowed at this point, my colleague Alok, who was in fact earlier speaking to the SDM of Hathras, asked a very pointed question of whether the opposition parties and leaders would be allowed, to which the SDM said that only right now media and government officials will be allowed to enter Hathras. So we really have to see what really happens at the Hathras border while we're looking at those visuals coming in on the left of our screens of Priyanka Gandhi, who's currently driving to Hathras at this point, accompanied by Rahul Gandhi and others, a delegation there, trying to meet the Hathras victims' family for the second time right now after the first attempt failed following a scuffle and a brief detention of both the leaders. Now remember, this coming at a time where Section 144 has been imposed at Hathras. There is huge barricading and deployment of police that is already there at Hathras. Meanwhile, on the other side, you're looking at dramatic visuals unfolding at the DND as well, where you're looking at Congress supporters there at DND, and even in DND, we're looking at a huge police deployment there, barricading that has already been installed at the Delhi Noida Direct Flyway. Even a Section 144 remains imposed on UP's Gautam Budh Nagar area as well.